Welcome to Leisha Today. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do a full engraved wrap on a 20-ounce tumbler. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. So first thing you want to do is you want to get a tape measure of some sort and measure the measure around your tumbler to get the sizing. So I did that already. This is the same tumbler. This is just one that has RE sublimation on it, but it's the same type of tumbler as this one. So once you do that, you're going to input your design. So what I did was I went here, opened the image, put the image onto here. This is a PNG and it has a transparent background. And then what I did was I put in those measurements. So I did the length and width. So the width was like around the tumbler, or I should say the height was around the tumbler, what we did with a tape measure. And then the width would more so just be the height of the tumbler. So how tall the tumbler is when it's standing on its bottom. And so what you want to do from here is you want to go and click off of there, and you want to go here to determine the distance. So before you hit that button, you want to make sure that your laser is over your tumbler. So in this case, it's over it. Try to get it centered. So I'm gonna move it over just a little bit. Okay. So once your laser is on top of your tumbler, then you're gonna hit this. So basically it's measuring the distance away from the laser. Okay. And then next you want to hit, or I should say click, this framing. Okay. So then you're going to push this button right here, and then you're going to watch to make sure you see that that laser stays on the tumbler the whole time as it's framing it. And what I'm using is the RA2 Pro attachment inside of my 20-watt S1 Xtool engraver, or laser engraver, and it's just hooked up right here. Okay. And then also I have this other side so that it balances. So this also came with the with this setup. So I put this on here and I twisted this little knob until it was balanced. So I got this leveler, I should say leveled, to make sure that this bubble is in the center. So let me show you. So if you could twist it, you twist this. And you see how it moves. So now that's leveled. Okay. The next thing you want to do after it's framed, you push framing complete, and then you're going to push this process down here. Okay. So before you hit start, you need to close your lid. Okay. You're going to go up here, hit start. When it's done saying sending file for processing, it'll let you know that you need to push the start button. So it says ready. So then you hit this button. Make sure that you have your safety goggles on. I put mine over my glasses. And then you can see that it'll start the engraving. Okay, so we'll come back and I'll let you know how long it took, and I'll show you the end product. Took 50 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can get it so that it can go a little faster. Okay, so let's now move on to taking it off and rinsing it off and seeing the end product. Looks like I also may need to do some adjustments. So I'm gonna first rinse it off with some water. Get all the I don't know if you see it coming off. See how it's like this? I'm going to try to get all those off. See how that's like this? And that's like this. Alright, so you can use a baby wipe, try to get like the little charred. So you see like right here how it's charred. You can use a baby wipe. To wipe that part off. So this is just a regular baby wipe. So you see how it's, now it doesn't have that charge. So you just have to go through and just do that. Just to get all that off. I was wondering if you use some alcohol. So I have some alcohol if it will make it easier. So I was going to try that on the baby wipe. See if that will make a difference. So let's get another spot that has that. So like up here. So this is part with the alcohol. So that actually seems like it makes it come off even faster. If you put some alcohol in it, see how I got it off even easier. So I'm gonna finish doing that, wiping it all down, and then I'll show you guys the end product. All right, you guys, so here's the end product. It looks really good. So let me show you also the baby wipe. So this is that baby wipe that I put the rubbing alcohol on. And this is all the stuff I got off of it. All right, so let's guess that's not the best. Okay, there we go. That looks good. So rate, comment, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for more videos using my S1 laser engraver. And also, if you guys are interested in having a more detailed tutorial, let me know, and then I can try to get that done for you guys ASAP. All right, stay blessed.